Some proponents of marijuana legalization in Washington say that it's been a success. These sources, both inside and outside the government, point to the steadily increasing sales figures, which have gone up in each of the last 12 months. And they've generated millions of dollars in new tax revenue. On the other hand, we talked to some groups who oppose legalization, and they say it's just too early to know what the impacts on public health will be. Others still are critical of the way that the program's been rolled out over the last year. Over the last year, 171 legal state-licensed shops have opened up. They pay taxes and they're tightly regulated. But they're trying to compete with hundreds of other untaxed, unlicensed, unregulated, quote-unquote, medical marijuana shops, which may not really be selling medical marijuana. They might just be profiteers, and that's what people are telling us that a lot of them are. A new law goes into effect this month, which will bring the medical shops under the same tight regulatory regime that the recreational shops were already working under. And it's expected that most of the existing medical shops are going to close down because they won't be able to come into compliance with the new rules. Vancouver's seen a proliferation of medical marijuana dispensaries over the last year. And at City Hall's last count, they tallied 99 storefront medical marijuana businesses. City Council voted just last month to be the first jurisdiction in Canada to regulate retail marijuana stores, and that process is moving ahead now. So currently City Hall is accepting applications from dispensaries looking for licenses, and the deadline for those applications is August 24th. City Hall says that they'll make decisions within the days and weeks following that date. So starting in September, City Hall could move to close some of those existing businesses. One local expert tells us he expects that this will result in the closure of at least half of the existing medical marijuana dispensaries.